Brahmins, they used to claim themselves as the highest caste in the society, and whatever the Brahmins, especially the Pandits, that means the priests, they used to order and instruct the other caste, not only I'm talking about the Sudras, other caste, Vaishyas, Kshatriyas, they had to obey their orders. So the Brahmins used to regulate the entire Indian Hindu community. The casteism, known as casteism. It was a very dirty practice during the time, and especially the victims were the Sudras. They were known as outcasts, untouchable, which Gandhiji, he protested, he raised his voice and he eradicated this practice from the Hindu community, untouchables. Gandhiji named them as Harijans, you know that. So these Sudras, they used to do the menial work as the scavengers. Menial work. Even other caste, I am not talking about Brahmin, other caste, those were little bit higher than Sudras, they never used to drink water that was touched by any Sudras. So this sort of casteism they used to practice, or the Hindus used to practice in the contemporary British rule or colonial India. So guys, this much for the day, and on the basis of today's teaching, you take questions. Guys, you have definitely noted down the dates accordingly. I was telling you. So the first question, write the events of the following dates. Write the events of the following dates. Now, dates: 1828, Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1828, 1864, 1867, 1829, 1856, 1921. So, numbering you have already written accordingly. So, you read the chapter thoroughly from the beginning up to page number 60. Then you can answer the question. Question number 2. How was the condition of woman during early 18th century India? How was the condition of woman during early 18th century India? Question 3. Write a note on Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Write a note on Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question 4. Mention any 5 social evils. Mention any 5 social evils of India during 18th to 19th century. Mention any 5 social evils of India during 18th to 19th century. 5. Question 5. What was the role of Pandita Ramabai? What was the role of Pandita Ramabai? So guys, these are the 5 questions. First, you read the chapter intensely, thoroughly, from page 58 to page 60 under the heading Challenge the Caste System. Then you will answer these 5 questions in your notebook. Is it clear? So till then, take care of yourself guys. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.